Shit. And I mean, I watch it in my work, a baby, I watch it in the next room. I could have seen see she. You're there.
What's all this noise about then? They're trying to push us out of the sandpit. Yes, you are.
Thank you guys. It's a frontal. Done by the bodies. So the body look like my real ear. I want to forget the woman her props. We rent the white and gold. I wait name again. Never number I can ask her she still a date. I think a Royal Rentals it name something like that. No, it's not my real ear. The frontal. You know what trick for trick people though and tell people say I'm a real ear. I'm a real ear. Joke me I make. Every time I got people them create excitement and the ketchup can kill them dead on my head. No man. Alright. You know always ask where when you can get and where in. When you realize some post wholesalers a lot, please someone feel like say it's me them myself for. As in like I'm me get them cream and them sell and give me the money. No. They're wholesalers. I don't know them. I take certain information, yes, but I don't know them like that for know what exactly them I sell. You understand? Some of them just ask some of them just ask where exactly. But me don't know them like that for no say alright then them they right us in a Westmoreland other place their shop number this and the gate and me don't know the full location. So when you see me put up the number and say Westmoreland and I put up the number and say right us or Canada, uno text them or DM them or call them. Uno can't ask me where them you don't know. Yes, there's sales rep in Bahamas, more than one I think. None of these places aren't my stores. I don't have a location. I'm tired for telling you. All these customers are wholesalers that come and buy their cream from me in wholesale prices and they resell it to whatever cost they want to resell it to. It is the same like when I'm going to buy things down here. Them sell it for whatever they want to buy it for. What kind of promo? We're not really trouble the promo thing no more. What kind of promo? The cream is everywhere. And yes, it is in Canada. I think it's in Toronto, Edmonton, or some other places I don't know. Never go to Canada yet. You send me money to wire transfer and how long we stop the wire transfer? I'm a face alone, I can't chrome up. My birthday in probably 4 days from now, you know. Or 5. One out of the 2 days, them. I was so white and so clean and nice. Watch there. All I'm here. My brazier did this, you know? My brazier. See it alright, so. When I say my white and pale. White like I don't do still my skin thin and somebody brush against me say rub and bruise up. You see I'm terrible for my birthday? I just lock up in my room and just cry. Cause I can't bother. I say me I try to get the birthday call and I get it quicker than expected. Cause me I say in a 2 weeks to 3 weeks time I must white. In a less than a week, like we can add more white. And still I rub till my peel. So I just curl up under my blanket and just ball for my birthday. But I can't bother. Yeah, my knuckles them a come off. Remember me is a black person, you know. Black like my ear, you know, guys. But they black like my ear. Una can't expect every part of me to come off clean. It can, you know, but I'm not so consistent. I have work to do. Yeah, thin out your skin. That's why I say sometimes. That is why people get a bust. Because you have bleach and you white out yourself so your skin thin. So you see any part of your skin I get a fat. Once you have fat and it stretch, the way how it thin it just give a stretch mark. So that is how bust come. So when people class people about bust, that is the least. Remember whenever born with bust pan we, God never make we and say boom, bam, bust. No. God never make us so. Well, bleach, Tina Uskin, I will get the bus. So, who is people for come class we but where we never born with? After we never born the farm, we never born with bus and truck and car and land farm we. So, only if you use bus and try these people. Sure, look at now. Tika, I will disrespect you. You know what I mean by me bad looking? You know me a nice girl. With makeup, without makeup, or without cream, anything, nice girl. Talk to me nice. And that with me now. God bless me for nice with the face, you know. I'm still want to bring the body in it for me to stick to the face. Look, oh, most of the whole I didn't need them just gone. So, a life. Life, go on and love extra. So guys, if you're bleaching with chrome white and you get the, that's what I'm saying, when you get the color one desire, calm down, because chrome white just go peel you. When I say white, I'm coming like a white woman. Chrome white just go peel you, calm down. And if you get white, don't go pan no back as pan no carpet, don't go pan no back as pan no ground, don't go pan no back as pan no bed and make him a ram. Tell him say no ramp with your skin. Tell him say no play with your skin. Cause that now, no one for tell man for done. See knee now. When you see people knee now and people foot. Can't have over here nothing short. No, sir. Give up. The people them a work for me, I say them a work for me, and just a win so. I'll spot them for my leg. Show me a work now, but don't even have the little chance. For take off my spot them, come have my spot remove on my chrome bar, can take out my spot them in no time, and every other day or every 4 days before I rub on the spot remover, say, no, it not have no work or work, and my birthday there on the corner, so I just give up. So upon the day no wish me, I just go cry. But then for the day pass and gone, it say, I never see me them for 1 day so yet. For just go on and just come out of my face. Look how my nice and clean for my man's birthday and spoil for my own. 13-year-old use chrome white and me want to send that jail now. I'm not afraid for talk the truth. Why am I supposed to afraid for talk the truth? You know, see to all me not afraid for talk nothing at all. Nobody can take nothing class me. Yes, I have a new boobs tattoo. It's an in thing where I go on now. I'ma see it on the internet, I'ma like it. But them I go too far. Come here, so what them do now with the breast tattoo them cover around the whole of the breast so, and them cut off them nipple. Me now go so far. But I like when you cover around the breast. Yes, when you cover around the breast now, you just have the look, you take off the look of breast here, you look nice nipple there right here, so and the whole like pretty and the whole around so pretty. So me I try out for that style right now. It hot! Sure. It hot. People don't know I can get so one numbing injection or one numbing cream for do my tattoo them. Cause I want to do some tattoo. I want to do some bright color tattoo. What a girl is there? You're 18, you can tell you're a big woman. You're a big woman. From me 16, me a big woman. Lika, nobody not trouble me. You ever see me come pan life, come class since lately? I stop with them, some of them is a good God-fearing woman. Me not class people. Which part them sell it? Talk to me. Oh, TT talk to me and make me just make my tattoo artist just run up and down on my skin. Spooky. I tell you half an hour time. It's not even just come on live. Give me a look at time now. You need my number? Alright. DM me, I get it back. My birthday is not the 10th. Okay? My birthday is the 11th. Me's a star. Number 1 2 time. The 11th. I want name lick ducky and injection. I'm afraid of them something. I have to go read it up first. Once I read it up and it good, nah, no problem. Kayla, my door white right now, my dark. And my face alone, me I rub and like look a bit round here, so cause I don't rub my body cause I can't, but I too thin. I make my skin come back. So what day I bleach 4 times a day. I have on my wrap, I have on my bag, I have on this, I have on that, I rub. As me get up, I rub. As me see look at time come, I dime for rub again, then I dime for... I'm just a rub, I just wake up with myself pee. When I say pale, I mean pale people might create excitement palm up on the road. And so I'm black. For sure, no, all me is a black woman with born black. Like the ear them palm my head. As me stop rub so like a week and so me get back black. You know, some people start rub for a month and them just take them time I did me. As me stop me get back black. For sure, all my color this strong. And when I telling them some black on disbelieve me. What a girl I say?
I know where to turn. So, send me back my voice note and tell me which part to say. The people that must bring me home.
Shoot, so on to the clipboard. Oh. Give me a second, guys. I'm set one of my old sailor. I really don't want to see us now. Miss Independent, big up Atlanta wholesaler. So like I used to, so I want to stay on that only, you know. But bigger repairs. People may never get bumping on my faces and watch ya. Look at this. People my work, what I'm say? Princess, I like how you start the conversation. Then Nikki, I not tell you what to do with your body. I just alone you have to stop. You see the rest of the paragraph where you see on the bottom, love it alone. You see where you start, so Nikki, I not tell you what to do with your body. Write it back and erase back everything what you say. If me want to put on one dragon in the front I write, so come down with him tail wrap around my eye, I'm supposed to do it. We have, God give everybody a body. Everybody. So if you have your body over there, so me have my body over there, so allow me. Come and say, no, go on a back road and go to the girl and say, stop sell your body. So me want to mark up mine, make my mark up mine. God say, come as you are. I never say, come but not come with no tattoo, so allow me alone. So I come peaceful today. When me I give you a birthday, go and allow me. You can't wait for it. Mr. Madam for man come and go for true. We have distributors in Bahamas. What are you saying? Why am I gonna regret it? Why am I gonna regret? Tell me why am I gonna regret it? Why? I still gonna love my tattoo them. All I want up on my neck when my neck start crinkle up so. At least my butterfly can move. So when I get old, I'm get the wrinkle them, and my neck start cribble up so my butterfly stay so. I just show my grandkids them. I just open it so, like it's so. Open it so my son look close when you see the butterfly fly. Who could tell me nothing? Who could tell me nothing at all? At the end of the day, when I get old and my skin get wrinkly, and you claim to say the tattoo them now gonna look good, at least all of them are gonna move now. The tattoo them on my skin them now gonna move. When my chest start get cribbly, I saw me I gonna move it up. So you gonna see the butterfly at least it a move. More I move, I say my gestures I gonna shake and the butterfly. So the grandkids them I gonna say, wow, your tattoos are moving. Uno could tell me I go feel no way when me a how much in 10,000. But don't live my life already. Them time I can't even wipe my own body. I can't even piss. Me don't know right from wrong them time because I be a fucker. Me go chat. When me go stay from my regret tattoo. The way I'm all me go delusional. That I first thing. Me not even go remember how me get the tattoo. Me not even go can see good out of me eye. Look here now. Look here. We never see all people that come complain about all them look at and all of them breasts. But that you have to worry about. You worry about the tattoo. You're worrying about wrong things. Worrying about you pity them and gonna make your breast underneath your navel. And your pum pum jar them and go open sign. You can't lock back because it have no look or nothing. And your man can't sexy. You can't get no sexy. You have to go through life not getting no sexy. Your man have to live on blue pill. You probably have to go take one young boy and mind the young boy and the young boy go fuck pan you and cheat. And that you have to worry about. You worry about tattoo. You're worrying about the wrong thing. Look here now. Look here now. Come for me and have it out, you know. Me not miserable, you know. People just love to accept on me. But it's true when I think about it, guys. It's true. Una worry about the wrong thing them. Una go worry about say. When me not go feel good with the tattoo them. First thing first, me I go walk and shit and piss up the place like my mother. Every minute me I forgot call my pick to them for come clean up the shit. So when you there, I worry about your tattoo them I look, you go worry you shit up the place. Are you tired for call your son? Are you tired for call your pitney them for come clean up your shit? Are you go kill up yourself or you can't hold your shit? Are you go kill up yourself or you in your pampers? And in your pampers are you shit up the whole of your pampers and all you ring the buzzer for somebody change your pampers. Nobody now come change your pampers and you sit down in the shit. You worry about tattoo by your skin? You're worrying about the wrong thing, them. You're worrying about the wrong thing, them. Just you imagine your body in a your shit all long. And all you call somebody for changing and them not changing blood clot shitty pampers off for you. And you piss up yourself and you rank. And no matter how you picking them tired of you call them. You're in the piss you rank till you start get molly. And out of all of that struggles the way you face. And y'all chat to all your man. I mean, while y'all cuss, you pity them, your teeth just drop out all of your mouth. And out of all of them struggles the way you face, you go look for yourself and say, wow, I have a lot of tattoos. You know, I really regret getting all of these tattoos. You don't regret nothing else. You don't regret nothing else than the tattoo them. Look a girl. Don't make I say no way I know for blood clots and you know love. Take on a set from people, you know. Me have a body. You have a body. Focus on your blood. What did that stop me, huh? Focus on your body. Where worry about my body for? Exactly. Yeah, talk your dentist just drop out of your mouth. One bag of little water come down. How much things you have to worry about in your old age? That if you pick them all decent and want bring a go on something they want. What them all say name? Them old people place there. That if you're looking to get some pitney way make sense. Cause you can breed another pitney way don't make no sense and grow up to bad man and you kill him and have nobody to take care of you. I like me now when I'm out bad, so I love chase people, I'm chase off my family them. None of them not gonna take care of me, I forgot work for myself. So talk to me now, that's the wrong thing you worry about my body. I saw me sit down and class one woman about this in the bank one time, you know. Sit down and come look at me up and down. And I look at my tattoo, then I skin up her face. So the whole her skin with cruggle and I want to part her glasses them broken. She not even have the angle over that side of her glasses. And I come in attacking with me. Before she go link her family, them and make them buy back one glasses and put a lens in it. Okay now. Me love hype, me love chat the facts. Call it hype if you don't want. But you know who is Nikki? Nikki is the person that don't afraid to talk. And I that you know not gonna like me for. Cause me don't afraid for talk. The things them want to say and then I can't say cause I'm afraid of people. Me don't afraid. Me is going to speak. Me I don't mind, you know. Uno for glad for me. Me I don't mind. You know much things you know want to say? If the tattoos hurt, it hurt like a bitch. It hurt like a bitch. But you know what I say? It have to done. And when you're done, you love it. You know what people create excitement over that tattoo? You say, come like a sticker. When you're done, you love it. So yeah. Nah, me nah cuss, man. Me don't cuss. Them days is finished. People have to sex it, Pam. Look on all that mad girl, you know. We not even call her name for she get no boss. That crooked girl, eh. Then me could have killed this argue with she about what? You argue with people where them probably not in your league, but at least them they even close. You can't argue with people who are in your league, none at all. You can't make scabby get hype. Some scabby for staying at the gully. Some scabby for staying at the dirt. You can't get scabby hype, cause bust them a look. Who their nails? One lady. You see, when me pay my money for do my things, them not get no form of promotion from me, no. None at all. Me not even, I tell you, whisper them locate, where them near for there, or where them close for there. Baby father come. Hold on. Guys, my baby father is coming. I'm room not tidy, so later I will link on one next time. You get me? So, kudos to everybody. I will come back on live next time and celebrate because I've been a bottom so I come on live. I'm a working class lady. I don't really have the time for it, but you see, because I want a little excitement and a little laughter, I will come back on live. But you know when your mother come, I am mother left in the house to tidy your room. I had door tidy your blood clear room. I am mother so she's so rich. You know you have to jump off a live and tidy the room. Cause you want to go like a clean door. Alright, later so link on.